Alright, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another unboxing of another model that I just received in the mail today. This one's kind of special to me because it represents what I possibly will be flying when I start in the airlines in a few years. Right here I've got a Skymarks or some sort of snap fit model of a CRJ-200. So let's go ahead and get right into it and we'll see what we got. So I'm not sure if this is like Skymarks or Hogan wings or something. I've never seen it on the Skymarks catalog, so it might not be. It could be flight miniatures or something, but I'm not sure, so we're gonna go ahead and see what it is. And let's see. Oh, it is Skymarks, okay. Alright, so it's not in Delta Connection, it just says SkyWest, but that's okay because they didn't really have a Delta Connection SkyWest CRJ-200. They have a CRJ-900, but I opted to go for the 200. So here we go. Here's the box, just a normal Skymarks box. You can see the registration, November 953 Sierra Whiskey. Let's go ahead and get it right out of the box and get it put together. And I apologize for this camera angle. I can't really find my tripod right now, so I'm just setting it on my table here. So we're gonna have to make do for now. Alright, so here's the fuselage. Alright, so here is the bottom of the box. We're going to go ahead and put the stand together. So we got the stand here and the stabilizers are in the bottom there. So you can see SkyWest CRJ-200 1:100 scale. So it is a bigger model. So here are the wings. Let's go ahead and put these on. So CRJ is not my favorite plane. Actually, I never film them when I go to the airport, but considering that this could be my very first plane I ever fly in the airlines, it's pretty special. So, and now the engines. There's one, and here's the other. Yep, there we go. Alright, this is still a little offset. Let's see if I can fix this here really quick. This is not the easiest to put on. There we go, that looks good. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look. So, Skymarks planes are pretty much all plastic and snap fit, but they're still really nice models. They have a good amount of detail on them. You can see we got some of the windshield wipers, some of the antennas. There's the front door, the SkyWest logo, registration, and the SkyWest titles on the tail. So I actually got this from the SkyWest merchandise shop online. I'll go ahead and link that down below for you guys in case you guys want to check that out. But that is about it for this video. There's not much else to show. Otherwise, I've got a few new models coming up in the next couple weeks, so keep on a lookout for those. And I will talk to you guys very soon. See you later, guys, and take care.